Crude oil WTI has achieved a high of 82.2. I hope you all profited from the yesterday's analysis and prediction. I asked you to buy at 80.8 and 81.2 levels, beyond which it can achieve 82 levels. I have told several times in my morning and the US session analysis, both the analysis I have told you that 82 levels are achievable. It has precisely achieved that. Likewise, NG, importantly and interestingly, NG has seen a good drop yesterday and today. It has reversed and now again back at 2.87 levels. So what to expect throughout this day from NG? Has it reversed and it is a good entry to buy? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on crude oil WTI is going to release in next 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into crude oil WTI followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts for WTI. You can see it is consolidating here and now trying to give it a rise. Once you see it trading above 81.5 levels, and yes, in fact, this level is a good entry to buy with a stop loss at 81.2. You can enter here and expect it to rise. I will at least look forward to 82.2 levels again, which is a pivot level. Also beyond that, certainly more bullishness might take it further highs. On the downside below 81.2, rather I will recommend you to sell at 80.8 levels, and below 80 rather better to sell at 81 itself. Below 81 you can expect a little drop which might take it for 80.8 and then 80.5 levels. Below 80.5 only further bearishness might take it below 80. So sell at 81 levels. Below 81 little more bearishness can be expected. Right now possibly we may see a little retracement. That is what I can expect, as it is giving you lower highs, higher lows. Let it give a breakout. Any move above 81.5 is a good entry to buy. Any move below 80, rather I will say 81.4 itself is a good entry to buy, and below 81 it's a good entry to sell. Between 81 and 81.4 or 81.5, do not trade crude oil here. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking up, the MACD trying to converge here, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts with the flat bottom, it is trying to reverse. Possibly we can see a little rise, and it may try to attempt and achieve 81.6 and 82 levels again. There is a possibility for it. Now see the entire movement right now, it is limited between 80.4 to 82.2 levels. In between this you have to remain alert and wait for it to give a breakout for a confirmation of a direction there. Directional movement here is still bearish, trying to converge a bit. Stochastic trying to reverse. The MACD is in green and trying to converge a bit. RSI is trading flat but little with a positive bias. If you look at the 3-hour chart, now look at the 3-hour chart, see flat bottom there, and hence probably once you see it trading below 81, you can sell. You can go for a seller here and expect 80.6, 80.4 levels first support level, and below that further drop might take it till towards $80 levels. However, if you look at the 3-hour charts, I told you it is consolidated. It is looking forward to a reversal. It has achieved lower highs, and now possibly this time it can breach the highs from the previous candles and in fact go till towards 82.6 level today itself. Directional movement trading with moderately bullish bias. Stochastic looking up. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI trying to trade flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts closely and you'll find, see the two candles here, higher lows are seen. Here is lower highs. Yes, above 81.5 you can expect the bullishness might be seen there for crude oil. So buy at 81.5, sell at 81 till 80.4 levels, 80.2 levels on the downside, and till, rather I will say till $80 levels. You have to be very cautious and alert. Achieving those levels, it can possibly bounce back again. You should not consider this as bearish till it trades above 80. Directional movement moderately bullish. The stochastic flat, the MACD has crossed over. Remember, the MACD has crossed over, trading with still with little divergence. It can continue the bullish momentum. RSI trying to look upwards, trying to show the bullishness there. Now look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, previous two candle, higher lows, higher highs, and as I said, till the time it trades above 80 today, you should do not consider this as bearish. Yes, you can sell here at 81, but till 80.5, 80.4 levels first support, and until $80 levels, do not consider this as bearish, and it can bounce back also achieving those levels. At the same time, above 81.5, you can stay long for 82, and once it breaks past 82.2, you can expect 82.6 as the first target. Till 82.6 you should remain cautious. Below that, beyond that, you can expect 83.5 and 84 levels as the targets. Directional movement is divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI trying to look upwards. Considering this, take your positions accordingly, and a buy at 81.5 and a sell at 81. On the downside, 80 levels should be, you should remain cautious of, you should remain alert of $80 levels. Till the time it trades above this, possibility of a bounce back exists, and hence trade with the stop loss. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And yes, before we proceed, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch is going to start on 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for NG. See, NG was trading in this bearish channel so far, and this is tried to retrace. It has a now also see on the hourly charts, see rise, retracement, higher highs, so it is trying to trade bullish. Now look at the last few candles. Yes, if you see it trading about 2.88, and those who want to take a safe entry should wait for 2.9. So yes, if you see it trading about 2.88, you can expect a rise. 2.9 is the first target. Then I will look forward to 2.95, and beyond 2.95 it will directly try to attempt to achieve $3 levels. Remember this fact. And yes, on the downside, only sell entry I will recommend is below 2.84, below which you can expect 2.8 to 2.8, and below that a further. Now remember this fact that a zero point 0.2 movement in NG is equivalent to close to 0.8% rise or a drop, and hence now a $1 move is almost 33% rise there, and hence you might see little movements in NG here. You should trade with caution. So do not expect that we are going to see it rising from 2.8 to 3.8 and 4.8 in a single day. Now the movements are going to be little bit smaller here, and for the day above 2.88 you can buy. You can expect 2.9 as the first target, and beyond 2.9 you can expect it to rise for 2.92 first second target, and 2.95 the third target. Beyond 2.95 you can expect a further rise, might take it till towards $3 levels. So that will be almost 10 cents to 15 cents of move from the current levels. So buy at 2.88, sell at 2.84. Now if you look at directional movement, this is bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD has seen the high, see it is divergent and bullish, but it is looking forward to converge a bit. RSI is also indicating the same. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts also similar is the indication. See, this was the consolidation. Here it was a little breakout, and once you see it trading about 2.88 again, you can buy for 2.9, 2.95, and beyond that, in fact, you can see $3 levels today itself. Now, as I said and as I told you, it is trying to reverse here. It was trading in this bearish channel. It is giving a breakout, possibly a retracement. One might take it till towards 3 or 3.1 levels very soon. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is looking upwards. Possibly we can see a little rise before it drops. RSI is also come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the $3 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, on the other hand, you can see this. So yes, if it tries to retrace, 3.2 3.3 zone is going to be a very strong resistance. And yes, only if you see it trading about 3.3, this was the previous rise. Only if it breaks past 3.3 you can consider this for a reversal. Now it is trying to retrace. This is just a retracement. Even if it tries to go past $3 levels, that should be not be considered as a reversal but a retracement. So look at the 3-hour charts also, if it breaks past this, you can expect that another round of rise might take it till towards $2.983 levels, which is definitely a very good resistance here. Directional movement is bearish here, trying to converge. Stochastic overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, and it is looking upwards. It is indicating bullishness. RSI is also come out of oversold zone. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts, and possibly a good bearish confirmation is if you see it trading below 2.8 today, below which you can again consider a little bearishness. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. The stochastic has come out of the oversold zone, trying to look upwards. And if you look at the MACD, this is trying to converge, crossover, and continue with the bullish move. RSI has come out of the oversold zone on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, after a couple of strong red candles, it is trying to reverse a bit, and you can see this is a candle with a smaller body on the upside, indicating a hammer here. Possibly once it tries to trade above 2.88 or 2.9 levels, you can expect a little rise. $3 levels can be expected, and beyond that is also possible. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is in green, trying to converge again. RSI trading oversold on the daily charts. It has consistently been trading oversold, and throughout this month, that is what I can see, it has entered into oversold zone in the end of the previous year, and for the whole month it is traded oversold. The possibility of a bounce back has to be there, and hence you can buy at 2.88 levels and remain long above that. On the downside till 2.8, you should be remain alert. Yes, you can sell at 2.84, first target at 2.82, and then 2.8 levels. Below 2.8 only, you can expect that there could be little bearishness, which can take it again till towards 2.7. Take your trades accordingly. First target at 3, then 3.08 and 3.14 levels can be seen, and then 3.2, 3.3 will be the targets. Only above 3.3, they should be considered for a reversal. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.